Kirian was suffocating in the grip of Vasuki's huge hand. The voice of Dushtanta echoed in his mind, urging him to give up. But Kirian did not give up. He gathered all the energy stored in the air, igniting the power of the Garuda feather inside him. With a sudden explosion, Kirian unleashed a wave of solar energy, pushing Vasuki back. This energy was so intense that a tremor reverberated throughout the city. Kirian took advantage of this opportunity and flew down to rescue his team. He quickly took out the 3 Garuda feather pieces tied to his belt. Rising up into the air, he put them together. A wonderful glow spread all around, and the pieces joined together, taking the complete form of Garuda's feather. As soon as the feather was completed, a fierce roar resounded through the sky. The air was filled with lightning, and the shape of a giant bird slowly emerged into the sky. It was Garuda, the winged god, returned to his reincarnation. Garuda's golden armor shone like the sun, and his eyes burned like fire. He looked at Vasuki at once, terrifying him. Even Dushta's soul trembled at Garuda's divine presence. Garuda grabbed Dushta's soul with his beak and dragged him down to the underworld. Vasuki, freed from Dushta's influence, knelt before Garuda. He apologized and promised to let the Nagas live in peace with the people of the surface. Garuda accepted Vasuki's apology and warned him that he would watch him closely in the future. Then, with a final roar, he disappeared into the sky. The entire form of Garuda's wings slowly lost their shine and then returned to Kirian's hand. Kirian was weak, but full of pride. He had saved his guru and team members, pacified the Nagas, and most importantly, he had reborn the Garuda. A new era began between Suryapur and the Nagas. Peace prevailed, and Kirian was hailed as a great hero. He knew that dangers still existed in the world, but he had the power of the Garuda wings, and he was ready to face the challenges of the future. If you liked this story, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you again tomorrow with a new story.